The fastest route is not always a straight line. शुरुआत करते हैं आज की इस कोट से. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget 2021-2022 in Lok Sabha. She presented a paperless budget for the first time. Here are some of the key highlights from Union Budget 2021. The health and sanitation is the in priority one. In order to this, we will elaborate the all. The number one is a new scheme titled PM Atmanirbhar Swasthya Bharat Yojana to be launched to develop primary, secondary and tertiary health care. Mission Poshan 2.0 to improve nutritional outcomes across 112 aspirational districts. Number 3, operationalization of 17 new public health units at points of entry. Modernizing of existing health units at 32 airports, 15 seaports and land ports. Jal Jeevan Mission Urban aimed at better water supply nationwide. The number 6 is a strengthening of urban Swachh Bharat mission. The next one is education. The new 100 Sainik schools to be set up over all over India. The second is 750 Eklavya schools to be set up in tribal areas. The third is a central university to come up in Ladakh. The next is infrastructure, the infrastructure for betterment and future of India. The number one is vehicle scrapping policy to phase out old and unfit vehicles. Highway and road works announced in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and Assam. The third is National Monetizing Pipeline launched to monitor asset monetization process. The fourth is National Rail Plan created to bring a future ready railway system by 2030. The fifth one is and most important 100% electrification to be completed by 2023. The sixth one is metro services announced in 27 cities plus additional allocation for Kochi Metro, Chennai Metro Phase 2. The seventh is National Hydrogen Mission to be launched for generating hydrogen from green power sources. Recycling capacity of ports to be doubled by 2024. Gas pipeline project to be set up in Jammu and Kashmir. The 10th one is Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana LPG scheme to be extended to cover 1 crore more beneficiaries. The next is tax. Tax in tax slab. No IT filing for people above 75 years. The government is honoring the senior citizens. However, in case of serious tax evasion cases, rate 50 lakh or more, it can go up to 10 years. The third is affordable housing projects to get a tax holiday for 1 year. The fourth is compliance burden of small trust whose annual receipts does not exceed rupees 5 crore. Duty of copper scrap reduced to 2.5%. Custom duty on gold and silver to be rationalized. The seventh is duty on naphtha reduced to 2.5%. The eighth is duty on solar inverters raised from 5% to 20% and on solar lanterns from 5% to 15%. All nylon products charged with 5% customs duty. Tunnel boring machines to attract customs duty of 7%. The customs duty on cotton raised from 0 to 10%. It may affect heavily to cotton business. Agriculture, infrastructure and development cess proposed on certain items including urea, apples, crude soybean and sunflower oil. The next is economy and finance. The most important and measure in this, the number one is fiscal deficit stands at 9.5% of the GDP, estimated to be 6.8% in 2021 to 22. The second is proposal to allow state to raise borrowing up to 4% of GSDP this year. The third is a unified securities market code to be created, consolidating provisions of the SEBI Act, Depositories Act and two other laws. And the fourth is proposal to increase FDI limit from 49% to 74%. The fifth is an asset reconstruction company will be set up to take over stressed loans. The sixth is a deposit insurance increased from rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakh from bank depositors. The seventh is proposal to decriminalize Limited Liability Partnership Act of 2008. The eighth is two PSU bank and one general insurance firm to be disinvested this year. The ninth is an IPO of LIC to debut this fiscal. The 10th is a strategic sale of BPCL, IDBI Bank and Air India to be completed. The next and most important is agriculture. In agriculture, the number one is agriculture infrastructure fund to be made available for APMCs. 1,000 more mandis to be integrated. Number 2,000 more mandis to be integrated. 5 major fishing hubs including Chennai, Kochi and Pardeep to be developed. A multi-purpose seaward park to be established in Tamil Nadu. In employment, the number one is a portal to be launched to maintain information on GIG workers and construction workers. The number two is social security to be extended to GIG and platform workers. Number 3, margin capital required for loans via Stand India schemes reduced from 25% to 15% of SCs, STs. इसी के साथ खबरों का ये सिलसिला समाप्त हुआ.